BMW Alpha. The BMW Alpha is a stunning fusion of speed, design, and innovation. Born from a collaboration between a Turkish designer and an American builder, this concept bike channels the aerodynamic prowess of a shark. Its front end mimics a great white's nose, while the bodywork, crafted from carbon fiber and aluminum, hugs a modified BMW K75 engine. This is more than just a motorcycle. It's a rolling sculpture built for high-speed glory on the Bonneville Salt Flats, and admiration from riders around the world. BMW C04. The BMW definition. C04 is a futuristic scooter that reimagines urban mobility. Designed as a forward-thinking take on city transportation, this next-gen ride showcases BMW Motorrad's commitment to sustainability by offering an electric alternative to traditional gas-powered scooters without compromising on performance or style. With its distinctive low-rider silhouette and spacious low-set seat, the C04 looks like it rolled straight out of a sci-fi movie. A full LED lighting system, including the Adaptive Headlight Pro and a prominent LED headlamp, enhances its bold and modern exterior. It takes about 4 hours and 20 minutes to fully charge the battery, delivering a range of up to 130 miles. While the base model starts around $1,800 in the US, final pricing may vary depending on location and added features. BMW Motorrad Concept Link. The BMW Motorrad Concept Link reinvents the idea of two-wheel city travel, inspired by the vision. Next 100, this electric urban bike connects rider and machine through digital intelligence and sleek design. Powered by an emission-free electric drive, the Concept Link boasts shark-like aerodynamics paired with scooter-style functionality. Its smart interface adapts to your preferences, projecting data onto the windshield, seat, or even in midair. It's not just a ride. It's a connected lifestyle companion for the modern city. BMW Motorrad Vision. Next 100. Imagine a motorcycle that's more than just a machine. It's a glimpse into the future. The BMW Motorrad Vision Next 100 redefines riding by blending pure thrill with intelligent technology. This bike adapts to your environment, your style, and your decisions, delivering a truly personalized ride. Its sleek black triangular frame, adorned with the classic blue and white BMW badge, is completely seamless. No visible joints or cables, just flowing elegance. It leans to turn without pivots and balances itself when stationary, eliminating the need for a kickstand. Instead of a helmet, you wear smart glasses, your digital link to the bike. They display speed, navigation, and hazards while letting you tweak performance settings like sound and ride mode, all through intuitive gestures. Full Moon Motorcycle. Meet the Full Moon Motorcycle, a radical custom creation that looks like a futuristic shark on wheels. Built by Akrapovich and Dream Machine Motorcycles, it features a 30-inch aluminum carbon front wheel that evokes a full moon. Its sleek metal body flows into twin custom Akrapovich exhausts, and beneath the surface lies a 1524cc S&S knucklehead engine. With hydraulic suspension for self-parking and hidden steering mechanisms, Full Moon is more than a bike. It's a rolling piece of high-tech sculpture that breaks every mold. Honda Riding Assist. The Honda Riding Assist revolutionizes safety and ease for motorcyclists. Leveraging Honda's robotics expertise, this concept uses sensors and actuators to keep the bike balanced, whether moving slowly or stopped. It can even follow you around and respond to gestures, projecting key information onto a digital windshield. Riding Assist enhances control without sacrificing freedom, showing Honda's vision for a safer, more intuitive future on two wheels. Jetpack Speeder. The Jetpack Speeder, developed by Jetpack Aviation, is a groundbreaking piece of engineering that could revolutionize personal transportation. Touted as the world's first flying motorcycle, this futuristic vehicle is powered by 8 compact jet engines, enabling it to reach astonishing speeds. With an impressive size-to-payload ratio, the Speeder weighs just 300 pounds, but can carry up to 600 pounds of cargo. Currently undergoing testing, it's expected to receive FAA certification in the near future. This isn't just a concept, it's a fully functional prototype. Its performance is truly jaw-dropping. It can fly at 60 mph for nearly 30 minutes, while a military-grade unmanned version can soar at 400 mph at 100 feet altitude, keeping it above most ground-based threats. Kawasaki J Concept. The Kawasaki J Concept is no ordinary bike. It's a futuristic 3-wheeled beast that reshapes itself based on your riding style. Whether you're gliding through the city in comfort mode or tearing up the road in sport mode, this machine transforms to match your mood. Its innovative front swing arms tilt and steer using a clever lever system, delivering unmatched control and stability. Powered by an electric motor in the rear, it offers instant torque and emissions-free performance. The riding posture adjusts too, from a relaxed upright position to a crouched, aggressive stance. This is Kawasaki's bold vision of future mobility, where technology and adrenaline meet in perfect harmony. Yamaha Motoroid 2. The Yamaha Motoroid 2 is a bold concept motorcycle that redefines how riders interact with machines. Building on the innovation of its predecessor, the Motoroid 2 offers a unique connection between human and machine, more like a companion than a conventional bike. This futuristic motorcycle uses advanced robotics and smart tech to recognize its owner and respond to their voice or gestures, almost like a loyal pet. But Yamaha's ambitions for the Motoroid 2 go far beyond novelty. Its interface adapts to the rider, turning the exterior into a responsive surface that promotes seamless two-way interaction. Riders can choose from 3 distinct riding postures: the traditional jockey style, a novel knee-hold position, and the centaur mode, which allows the rider to stand, freeing the upper body for a unique riding experience. The Yamaha Motoroid 2 isn't just futuristic, it's visionary. Neutron bike inspired by the film Tron, the Neutron bike is a head-turning blend of futuristic design and modern tech. With electroluminescent wheel strips and a carbon fiber body over a steel frame, it looks like something out of a sci-fi movie. An AC induction motor and lithium-ion battery power this bike to a top speed of 125 mph with a range over 100 miles. Add in a thumb-scan ignition, digital iPad mini dash, and a retractable license plate, and you've got one of only 10 exclusive units ever made. The Neutron bike isn't just a vehicle, it's a spectacle. Yamaha Motoroid. Imagine a bike that knows you. The Yamaha Motoroid is an AI-powered concept motorcycle that recognizes your face, responds to gestures, balances itself, parks autonomously, and even communicates non-verbally. This self-balancing machine turns the motorcycle into a companion, one that follows you, reacts to commands, and displays information mid-air using haptic feedback and AR. Motoroid is Yamaha's radical reimagining of rider interaction, creating a bond between human and machine that goes far beyond the conventional riding experience. Car Shane. Introducing the Car Shane, an electric two-wheeler unlike anything else. Designed by Shane Chen, inventor of the hoverboard, this self-balancing vehicle fits 5 passengers in a futuristic pod accessible from both the front and rear. Steering and acceleration are managed through differential speed control. No pedals, no steering wheel. Regenerative shocks smooth out the ride while recharging the battery. With its sleek, hovercraft-like shape, the car chain challenges everything. We know about four-wheeled travel. It's not just transportation, it's a reimagining of motion itself. Concept 1865. Concept 1865 reimagines the velocipede, the first pedal-powered bicycle, using modern materials and 21st century tech. Created by BASF and Ding 3000, this retro-futuristic e-bike features 24 cutting-edge plastics, including Infinergy, tires and a concealed electric motor in the rear wheel. It's both a tribute to early bike design and a vision for the future of sustainable mobility. Concept 1865 connects past and present in a bold statement on how far we've come. DX Spiritus Prototype. Meet the DX Spiritus, a sleek, all-electric three-wheeler built for speed and sustainability. With a jaw-dropping 0 to 60 mph time of just 1.8 seconds, it's the fastest three-wheeled EV on Earth. The Spiritus also wirelessly charges via on-data tech and delivers a range of up to 300 miles. But it's not just a vehicle. It's a smart machine capable of mining cryptocurrency through the Nebula suite. Even when parked, it's working for you. The DX Spiritus is a glimpse into the future of green performance and smart mobility. Icon A5. The Icon A5 is more than just an aircraft, it's your ticket to sky-high freedom. This amphibious light sport plane takes off from land or water, making remote lakes and mountain ranges your personal runway. Spin-resistant wings, intuitive controls, and a Garmin G3X touchscreen cockpit make flying safe and fun. It runs on a 100-horsepower Rotax engine and offers a 427 nautical mile range with a 45-minute reserve. With folding wings and a sleek hull, the A5 is as easy to store as it is to fly. Leper-Kim Veteran Patent. Go anywhere, conquer anything. The Leper-Kim Veteran Patent is an electric unicycle built like a beast. Packing a 3,000-watt motor, this one-wheeler hits speeds of up to 50 mph and climbs slopes with ease. Its massive 2,220-watt battery gives you a range of up to 70 kilometers on a single charge. Crafted from aircraft-grade aluminum, its tough frame is made to tackle any terrain. The hydraulic suspension lets you fine-tune your ride for maximum comfort. A rugged 16-inch tire handles both city streets and rough trails. Want to perform? Tricks? Built-in jump pads are ready for action. With its futuristic design and high-performance edge, the Veteran Patent isn't just transport, it's a lifestyle. Push your limits and ride like never before. Quiggle Folding Bike. The Quiggle Folding Bike is the most compact folding bicycle on the market. Ideal for city dwellers and travelers, it folds down in just 10 seconds and stores easily in tight spaces. Made from corrosion-resistant stainless steel, it's built to last. With its upright riding position, it offers both speed and sightseeing in one smooth ride. More than just a bike, Quiggle gives you the freedom to explore without limits. Rosno ECE. The Rosno ECE is a 3-point electric snow bike made for winter fun. It features 2 steerable skis up front and a rubber track in the rear, powered by a 250-watt motor. It hits speeds up to 25 km/h and delivers up to 45 km of range per charge. An ergonomic seat, variable transmission, and full display panel give you complete control. With front and rear lights and a transport rack, the ECE is a safe, compact thrill ride for snowy adventures. Scania S730 Mini Truck. Meet the Scania S730 Mini Truck, a powerhouse in kid-sized form. Designed by Irish company Scaled Rigs and officially licensed by Scania, this mini rig looks and feels like the real deal. It runs for up to 4.5 hours on a 24V electric battery, matching the torque of a mobility scooter and cruising at speeds up to 10 km/h. It features a realistic dashboard, working horn, lights, indicators, and customizable paint and decals. Kids can even haul mini trailers and tankers, making it more than just a toy. This scaled-down S730 is a premium gift that'll fuel a lifelong passion for trucks. Zoom Shoes. Zoom shoes take electric mobility to a whole new level. These self-balancing electric skates let you glide effortlessly across any surface. Lightweight, portable, and super easy to strap on. Just press a button and go. Navigate with your feet and feel like you're flying. They're electric, so no gas, no emissions, just fun. Great for commuting, short trips, or exploring. Zoom shoes come in multiple colors and styles so you can make them your own. Some models can even tow mini trailers. With Zoom shoes, you're not just skating, you're stepping into the future.